If you're trying to decide between GoTo Resolve and ConnectWise Control for your IT support needs, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the differences, the pros and cons of each, and ultimately, help you figure out which IT tool is best for your team or business. Stick around till the end for an exclusive offer that could change your decision. Let's start with GoTo Resolve. It's known for its solid remote support features and user-friendly interface. You can easily troubleshoot devices, manage client systems, and even provide ongoing support. The best part? It integrates seamlessly with other GoTo tools like GoToMeeting. If you already use GoTo for communication, adding GoTo Resolve to your suite can make everything feel more connected. But here's the catch: while it has great basic functionality, GoTo Resolve sometimes lacks the depth of customization that larger businesses or teams may need. It's excellent for small to medium-sized businesses, but enterprises may find its capabilities limiting when it comes to advanced IT management. So, if you need deep reporting, extensive integrations, or more specialized features, you may want to look elsewhere. Next, let's talk about ConnectWise Control. It's known for its robust remote support and remote monitoring capabilities. It's got solid security, custom branding options, and strong session management. ConnectWise Control is especially popular among IT pros who need a secure way to manage devices remotely, with features like multi-session handling and unattended access. The downside? It can be more complex to set up, especially for small teams who don't have dedicated IT staff. Also, while it's loaded with features, those features can sometimes feel overwhelming and may require a bit of a learning curve to master. But if you need something powerful with a variety of configurations and top-notch security, ConnectWise Control might be a better fit for you. The fourth thing to consider is price. GoTo Resolve typically offers simpler pricing models with a focus on accessibility. It's a solid, no-fuss option for companies that need a straightforward tool. ConnectWise Control, on the other hand, is known to be pricier, but offers more features in return. This means you're paying more upfront, but for larger teams or businesses that need a comprehensive IT solution, it might be worth the extra investment. Finally, let's talk about alternatives that might suit your goals even better. While GoTo Resolve and ConnectWise Control are both strong options, there's one more tool that stands out: insert competitor name. It's known for offering not just remote support, but also better integrations, simpler pricing, and a more intuitive user interface. Plus, it can scale with your business as you grow. And because it's often recommended for businesses focused on a specific goal, it might be the best choice for those looking to do more than just manage support tickets. If you're curious about how this competitor stacks up, we've got you covered. Through our exclusive link, you'll get an extended free trial, so you can test it out yourself and see if it's the right fit for you. So, in summary, GoTo Resolve is great for simplicity and ease of use, but might not offer enough customization for larger operations. ConnectWise Control is a more robust option with more features, but it comes at a steeper learning curve and price tag. But insert competitor name could be the answer you're looking for, and we've got a great offer lined up for you. Check out the link below for the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out. Take action today.